Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Windows updates are applied and any restart pending. This often resolves performance issues. Next, close browsers and heavy apps, then open Task Manager to identify CPU, memory, or disk culprits. If disk usage is near 100%, make a note. Also, create a quick backup of documents. Once done, you can safely uninstall problem programs or roll back recent drivers. These steps both protect your data and give an immediate diagnostic picture to guide deeper fixes. You now free resources, run disk cleanup, remove temp files, and clear system cache to reclaim disk I/O. This reduces slowdowns caused by low free space. Next, open Task Manager, switch to Startup, and disable non-essential programs to speed boot and free RAM. Then run a full malware scan with Windows Defender, followed by system integrity checks, SFC/Scano, and DISM Restore Health. These repair corrupted system files that can cause lag. Make sure to reboot after each major change to measure impact. You finish by tuning Windows. Open System Properties, Advanced Settings, and set visual effects for best performance to cut GPU/CPU load. If Task Manager showed sustained high disk or memory use, consider hardware upgrades. An SSD transforms responsiveness, and extra RAM reduces swapping. Make sure drivers, especially storage and chipset, are current. If lag remains despite all steps, back up and perform a clean install or roll back recent feature updates. If that still fails, a targeted hardware diagnostic is the troubleshooting tip to try next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.